If you don't see incoming calls on POCO M8, here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. So the first thing that is worth checking is the Do Not Disturb mode. The quickest way to check that is, for example, by using the either volume button, and then in here we have this moon icon or button, which of course, if it's like blue or something, then it means that it is activated. So we want to make sure that it is disabled, because the DND mode can of course make incoming calls not show up on the screen. You can also go to settings and choose sound and vibration, and then in here look for Do Not Disturb, so you can check if it's enabled. And we can also find some additional settings, like for example notify about repeated calls. So if you still want to use DND mode, or even notified about calls actually, so you can still make it work even if you have DND mode activated. Now in case DND mode is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, then what you can do next is you can go to the apps settings, and then in here we need to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and to choose show all apps. Then we're gonna use the search in here, and first we're gonna type phone. There we go. Let's hide the keyboard, and we're gonna go to the phone app in here. We want to force stop the app. We want to clear the data in the bottom right corner, and we want to clear all data. There we go. Next we want to go to app permissions, and you want to make sure that these permissions that you can see in here, so these here are allowed in your case, just like it is in mine. Besides that, we can go to notifications and of course make sure that everything is enabled in here, like the sound, vibration, lock screen notifications, and so on. Now, after that, once you are done with that, we're gonna go back to the list of apps, and then we're gonna go to the hyperphone. And in this case, you just want to clear the data in the bottom right corner and choose to clear all data. Next, we're gonna go to the phone and messaging storage. Clear the cache. In this case we have to clear cache. Unless you can clear the data, then do so. Then go to phone services and do exactly the same thing. So we're gonna clear all data in here. Alright, after that we can tap on the search field, and now we're gonna type call, and you should be able to find call management, and you want to clear the data of that app as well. Now once we are done with that, what you can also do is you can restart your phone, and after you restart your phone, make sure that you open the phone app. And you might notice that the phone app now looks slightly different than before. This is pretty much the older design of the app that was available before the update. And you don't have to worry about it, it still works just as it should. It might miss some of like small features, but after like a couple of minutes, maybe up to an hour or so, the phone app will be updated and you will go back to the current design and current version essentially. And now you can give it a try and see if it works, and hopefully it does. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.